Hi, welcome back to class. And this week we are moving on to Module 10. And so we are going to be moving into looking at Asian Americans. And we're going to look at some concepts here like myth making. And we're going to learn about um, how sometimes ethnic groups don't come together under one movement. So with the civil rights movement, the Black Civil Rights Movement, you can look at the late 1950s and 1960s as a point where people came together and started pushing for equal rights. That's one thing that did not happen a lot with Asian Americans. We had groups of people coming over at different times from different countries and having different cultures, and really didn't coalesce around one particular event to push them for equal rights. With that, you're going to look at the case of Vincent Chin, who was one pivot in time where people started coming together to discuss racism, xenophobia. And again, we're seeing this happen now. This is a repeating um, um, event in this country where people experience prejudice and discrimination and racism and the ugly side of human behavior. Um, so we do see these events come back. So right now there is a major spike in hate crimes directed towards Asian Americans. Um, so um, so we're gonna look at that. This one case here of Vincent Chin. We're also going to start a discussion of looking at revolution, and there's a second discussion that will look at how people who were treated really badly. So there's gonna be an interview with George Takai, and he's going to discuss his treatment as a Japanese American during World War II and his family, how they were treated. So you're going to look at that and see how somebody who went through an event that horrible with their family is able to still love a country that has mistreated them. So what we're expected to do this week is you're going to start responding to the Module 9 discussion. And for this, I expect you to log on at least 3 different days and have at least 3 different responses to your classmates. And so in responding to each other, try to have a conversation. If someone asks you a question, answer it. That's a response. And you can have an actual discussion here on your post. I want you to still be talking to each other. I know we're not meeting face to face, but there's a way for us to do this. And to do it, log on at least 3 different days. Ideally, if you're really bored and I know you're home, right now there's been, let's say you have more time to possibly work on this. You could log on every day if you want to and go a little further with this. I encourage you to do so. You can get more out of the class. So you're going to respond to the Module 9 discussions. And this, like I said, can be an area that's rich for growth in a class like this. So feel free to have much more than 3 posts if you want to. Read chapter 9 of the book. And I have 3 videos that you're going to watch and then do a Dropbox with those 3 videos and a Vincent Chin article. Then you're going to watch 2 extra videos that are related to our discussion. And so this is the 2 videos of Grace Lee Boggs and one of George Takai. Then you're going to post initial posts in each of those discussion topics under Module 10 discussion and have that all done by the 6th. So next Monday at 9 o'clock. And I will put on here to take the Chapter 9 quiz as well. And so going down our list, I'll let you see what we have here. As soon as my computer catches up. For some reason, Screencast-O-Matic tends to really slow down the operation of the computer too when I'm doing these. So this video will be here, Module 10 webpage here. Here's the article on Vincent Chin, which you'll use to answer this question. So these 3 videos will go around with these questions here and discussion on the assignment. So this is your Dropbox assignment. The first video on this list is looking at the model minority myth and how that hurts Asian Americans. And to go over that, they're going to show housing issues in New York City. So there's a few cases there that this goes over. Then there's a short documentary on Japanese Americans. And this is really interesting. It gets into the different views people have after being an immigrant in this country and what happens with the next generation and the generation after that. So they have terms like the Issei, Nisei that go over the identification of how far you are removed from your homeland. And then lastly, for this assignment, the Who is Vincent Chin video. And again, watch this video and read this article here. And then you have these 3 questions to answer in the Dropbox. Then here, as I click on discussion 10 forum, there's more videos. So I know you're not going to have to hear me talk in front of the class, but you still get to watch videos and see people speak in the first person about their experiences. So first off are 2 videos of Grace Lee Boggs, and she is a very interesting lady. And so what you're going to do is you're going to look at how she transcended race and how she viewed the idea of revolution. This lady is very interesting. She is Asian American, married an African American activist, and became involved with the Black Civil Rights Movement, and has a lot of really interesting points. She passed away a couple years ago, and is truly missed. But you get to hear her own words in these 2 short interviews. And then lastly, you have a video with George Takei, and he is talking about his personal experiences. And so again, taking his personal story and sharing it and explaining how he can still love a country that treated his family so poorly. And these are going to be 2 initial discussion posts. So you're just going to post here, do not respond yet, on each of these questions. And you will have the module, the chapter 9 quiz to take as well. So I'll have that on this. If you have any questions, feel free to get back to me. I do know that this transition going from face-to-face to online is very difficult. I know you expected a face-to-face experience, so I'm trying to deliver, the same kind of experience the best I can. And I do use the same material in online classes as I do face-to-face. So this will work out for you. Just be patient with it. And if you have any questions, make sure you send me an email. I will check my emails and get back to you. Otherwise, have a great week and take care of yourself.